The last 2 days winter storm brought several inches, if not several feet of snow to parts of the Northeast. And when you compare them to records, all-time record 2-day snowfall totals, we certainly saw significant numbers, especially in Providence, Rhode Island, where they picked up 37.9 inches of snow between February 22nd and 23rd, which breaks their all-time record of 28.6 inches set back in 1978. Looking up towards Boston, 22.5 inches reported there. Their record 27.6, not necessarily record breaking for New York, but significant amounts, 22.5 inches the last 2 days, where their record from 2016 was still held by 28.2 inches. And while here in the Baltimore area, BWI Marshall only picked up a measly 1.9 inches between February 22nd and 23rd, where the 2-day record right now still stands at 29.2 inches from 2016. And while some may be laughing at that tiny number, it's all that we needed to actually make us above normal when it comes to seasonal snowfall totals. Look at this right now. Our average right now, or at least the totals so far for this season, 15.6 inches. That brings us 0.2 of an inch above the average. And when it comes to the total for snow in Boston this season, 60.4 inches. They're 24 inches over the average for seasonal snowfall total. So significant numbers just from this one winter storm alone. Of course, now that we're kind of thawing out and drying out, we are looking ahead to the next couple of days and whether or not winter is still here, because, you know, in the next few days, March 1st is the beginning of meteorological spring.